Hey guys, how you going? I'm just heading off to the shops today. Pretty excited. Sorry, I'm just reversing out. I'm pretty excited today, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm just heading off to the shops today. I'm going to pick up something that I'm pretty excited about. I'm not going to reveal what it is. I'll actually do I'll reveal and stuff later on. But yeah, pretty excited about it. Going to go and pick it up today, and hopefully later on this afternoon, if I get a chance, I'm going to do an actual an unboxing and a reveal video. So first time I'm just trying to actually got the camera just running while we're in the car. Just, see how it goes. The picture looks pretty dark, so I'm not quite sure on the I'll have to change the settings there a bit, because it does look pretty dark to me. Just gonna move my car around a bit. My wife was in the car last. Hey guys, so just a quick one. I'm just heading off to the shops. I'm going to pick up a gadget that I've been after for quite some time. I finally got one today. I'm going to go pick it up and I'll relieve it to you, reveal it to you this afternoon when I get home. I'll do an actual unboxing. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully catch up with you later on.